Please wait for me. Please wait for me. That's evidence to support my point. That's evidence to support my point. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Be selective. Be selective. Can you check your phone? Can you check your phone? You have a completely different appearance. You have a completely different appearance. Your fashion sense is admirable. Your fashion sense is admirable. Let's attempt another. Let's attempt another. I'm curious about what will happen. I'm curious about what will happen. Would you be able to lend me some money? Would you be able to lend me some money? That's an illogical idea. That's an illogical idea. I wonder what will occur next. I wonder what will occur next. I never made that statement. I never made that statement. It's too costly. It's too costly. I require time to think. I require time to think. Currently, I am occupied. Currently, I am occupied. I'll be available later. I'll be available later. Imagine that scenario. Imagine that scenario. Keep an eye on this space. Keep an eye on this space. Could you please stop talking? Could you please stop talking? What immediate actions can we take? What immediate actions can we take? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? I don't understand what you are discussing. I don't understand what you are discussing. Make a favorable impression. Make a favorable impression. It won't be much longer now. It won't be much longer now. Keep persevering. Keep persevering. I am concerned for your safety. I am concerned for your safety. May I see that photo? May I see that photo? I hope I feel better tomorrow. I hope I feel better tomorrow. I cannot handle this situation. I cannot handle this situation. Switch it off. Switch it off. It's time for bed. It's time for bed. Unlock the door. Unlock the door. Fasten your seatbelt securely. Fasten your seatbelt securely. Please listen to me. Please listen to me. I've never been happier. I've never been happier. What would you like to order? What would you like to order? I am feeling dehydrated. I am feeling dehydrated. Don't give up hope. Don't give up hope. Take care. Take care. How's everything going? How's everything going? We are thinking in the same way. We are thinking in the same way. We should leave now. We should leave now. What is your proposal? What is your proposal? Are you prepared? Are you prepared? Is that your dog making noise? Is that your dog making noise? What is that sound? What is that sound? I haven't spoken to her in a while. I haven't spoken to her in a while. Today is going to be hectic. Today is going to be hectic. I've been up all night. I've been up all night. How can I trust you? How can I trust you? That's incredibly amusing. That's incredibly amusing. Congratulations on your achievement. Congratulations on your achievement. It was the time of my life. It was the time of my life. Is everything satisfactory? Is everything satisfactory? We cannot afford to make mistakes. We cannot afford to make mistakes. I need your assistance. I need your assistance. I must depart immediately. I must depart immediately. Can I offer you something? Can I offer you something? You have my utmost respect. You have my utmost respect. The store is closed for business. The store is closed for business. Don't believe everything you hear. Don't believe everything you hear. You are irritating me. You are irritating me. I need to save up some funds. I need to save up some funds. Look at how large that is. Look at how large that is. I need to freshen up. I need to freshen up. Be open-minded. Be open-minded. This is a critical situation. This is a critical situation. Try a new approach. Try a new approach. Allow me to check that for you. Allow me to check that for you. It's time to move on. It's time to move on. Breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. My legs need stretching. My legs need stretching. You are being unreasonable. You are being unreasonable. I anticipate seeing you soon. I anticipate seeing you soon. Have a pleasant afternoon. Have a pleasant afternoon. That's not logical. That's not logical. Your laughter is missed. Your laughter is missed. That's quite intriguing. That's quite intriguing. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. Close that door. Close that door. Hold this object for me. Hold this object for me. I am feeling drowsy. I am feeling drowsy. I will return soon. I will return soon. I have a headache. I have a headache. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Behave yourself properly. Behave yourself properly. Listen attentively. Listen attentively. Join me. Join me. I disagree. I disagree. I enjoy it. I enjoy it. Unfortunately, I cannot. Unfortunately, I cannot. I cherish you. I cherish you. He will arrive soon. He will arrive soon. My apologies for my tardiness. My apologies for my tardiness. I require some assistance. I require some assistance. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Have a splendid day. Have a splendid day. I did the minimum I could. I did the minimum I could. Let's grab a quick bite. Let's grab a quick bite. I am out of funds. I am out of funds. That is not your concern. That is not your concern. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Everything is all right. Everything is all right. Please come quickly. Please come quickly. We will talk later. We will talk later. This is not fair treatment. This is not fair treatment. I am famished. I am famished. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. Please communicate with me. Please communicate with me. Do not be ridiculous. Do not be ridiculous. Have an enjoyable weekend. Have an enjoyable weekend. I apologize. I apologize. I give up. I give up. Utilize your brain occasionally. Utilize your brain occasionally. It is currently raining. It is currently raining. See you again soon. See you again soon. I feel confident. I feel confident. We have a deal. We have a deal. That is a challenging question. That is a challenging question. I have never utilized it before. I have never utilized it before. I need to have a conversation with him. I need to have a conversation with him. Congratulations. Congratulations. You are brilliant. You are brilliant. It is located over there. It is located over there. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Please wait 10 minutes. Please wait 10 minutes. Kindly wash the dishes. Kindly wash the dishes. I love pizza. I love pizza. Cease that noise, please. Cease that noise, please. I need medical attention. I need medical attention. I have missed you. I have missed you. I need to ponder it. I need to ponder it. I am thrilled. I am thrilled. It is perplexing to me. It is perplexing to me. Same as usual. Same as usual. Let's arrange to meet soon. Let's arrange to meet soon. I have a confidential matter. I have a confidential matter. I discovered it. I discovered it. It is beneath the table. It is beneath the table. I found my keys. I found my keys. It will be advantageous for you. It will be advantageous for you. Maybe another time. Maybe another time. That is acceptable to me. That is acceptable to me. Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance. Take it easy. Take it easy. It was nothing exceptional. It was nothing exceptional. Follow my instructions. Follow my instructions. I hope you comprehend. I hope you comprehend. I cannot wait any longer. I cannot wait any longer. Please do not disregard me. Please do not disregard me. Could you be so kind as to do me a favor? Could you be so kind as to do me a favor? That is absurd. That is absurd. My vehicle has malfunctioned. My vehicle has malfunctioned. That is very thoughtful of you. That is very thoughtful of you. It is of no significance. It is of no significance. I should not have done that. I should not have done that. Let's return to work. Let's return to work. Let's take a stroll. Let's take a stroll. It is for the best. It is for the best.